What does crossing your fingers mean in American body language? ئەم کردارە بە پەنجەکانت بە زمانی جەستەیی ئەمریکی مانای چییە؟ The first meaning is the most common one, where crossing your fingers means you're hoping for good luck or a good result. Maybe you are watching a close sports game and you're hoping for your team to win, and so you cross your fingers. Or your friend has an important job interview, and so you do this and say to them, fingers crossed, which is another way to say good luck. The less common meaning is that some people cross their fingers secretly when they are lying, and they think that this makes the lie okay. If you promise someone something but your fingers are crossed, some people believe this means that you're not then responsible if you break that promise. Most Americans now don't believe that these actions have any power, but many will still use them for fun, especially the first one where you are wishing for good luck. Now, if you see this, you know what it means.